Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a pretty quick one. I promise you this time. Just going to do the headlining of the Blue Mini. We're going to strip it out and see how bad or good it is, and just take it from there, I guess. But pretty simple, just stripping out the headlining, because I am just going to redo everything. I'm in the process of stripping the shell down little bit by little bit. I've taken out most of the wiring harness over here. Literally, it's almost down to bare. So, because when we're going to spray, I'm going to put it on a rotisserie, take it up, take off all the junk, all the liner that people put on before, previous owners and all that. So it's going to be clean, plug all the holes, do it properly once, then we get it done. But anyway, let's get back to the video, back to the headliner. Let's go see how it looks. Welcome back to the inside of my Mini. Here's the liner. It's actually in really decent condition. I'm just pulling it out because I don't like the way they did it. Like over here, it should be tucked in behind, and that should be exposed, and that should be the color of the car. So yeah, I'm essentially just gonna rip it out, and then I can use it as a template. So I'm just gonna put it on time lapse and just start pulling from the front. So let's see what happens. Okay, so we run into a problem. I need to take out these quarter windows, but I've literally just secured them with some little screws over there. So let me get a little screws over there. So let me get a star screwdriver and take them out. We had a bit of an oopsie with the lead light. I dropped it and the globe broke, but that's okay. I have a backup LED light that's even brighter. So yeah, there we go. That's way brighter, so we're gonna use that instead. First things first, let's take out these pop-out windows, and then we can carry on pulling. Okay. Bolts, screws are out, whatever you want to call them. They're definitely screws, not bolts. So now what we can do is we can literally, should be able to open like that and just pull it out nicely. Yeah, there we go. Perfect, just like that. Let's take. So that's the left hand side done. Not too bad. Could be worse, honestly. It's just, oh, this stuff is so gross. It leaves us fine. Oh yeah, it's so bad. But anyway, also found out that I have this was obviously like a deluxe or a Lani, a fancy model back in the day. So this I could probably put an LED in, which is quite nice. And that obviously works off your doors. When you open your doors, it triggers the sensor to, well, not sensor, but it creates the circuit to open and then puts light out. So that's quite cool. So you wire that guy in and it will work. So yeah, let's carry on with the right hand side, take the window out and start stripping. We've come to the back window now, and this is a problem, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm literally going to take this out of this piece here, and then take a knife and just trim around the edges here, and then yeah, because I want to keep this as a template for when I do new material, which is going to be black, I think. But yeah, so let's go find a knife, trim nicely around, and then we have it out. got a knife, there's some canvas, let's chop. Put it on time lapse and let's hit it. Or should I say, let's chop it. There we have it, one interior list mini. Pretty average, honestly. Like, wasn't expecting anything wow. And there's no rust, which is amazing. That's old glue. And oh, there goes my hat. But yeah, super happy with how it looks. Those are just door cards, and the seat I can just pull out. But yeah, really happy with that. Came out really nicely. So next step, I think what I'm going to do is take the dash out probably, and then the trim there, that middle trim there, and disconnect all my switches, and carry on stripping it down in order to get it ready for paint. But I think that is effectively going to end today's video. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to always send it. Have a good one.